In Miranda v. Arizona, the United States Supreme Court held that a defendant's confession, resulting from a custodial interrogation, is inadmissible under the Fifth Amendment unless the defendant first validly waives the rights to silence and the assistance of counsel. But what if a defendant invokes these rights, then changes his or her mind and waives the rights in a subsequent interrogation? The Supreme Court addressed this situation in Edwards v. Arizona. Police officers filed a felony complaint against Robert Edwards, alleging that he committed various offenses, including murder at a bar. A state court issued an arrest warrant, and the officers arrested Edwards, read him Miranda warnings, and took him to the police station. Sergeant Larry Bunting asked Edwards questions about what happened at the bar, but Edwards stated that he wanted an attorney appointed to represent him before he talked any further. The officers ceased questioning Edwards, and he was taken to the jail. The next morning, two police detectives, Victor Marmion and Charles Milne, had Edwards brought to an interview room. Edwards told the jail guard who escorted him to the room that he didn't want to talk to the detectives. But the guard told him that he, quote, had to, unquote, talk to the officers. Then Edwards arrived at the interview room. Detective Marmion read Miranda warnings to Edwards and asked him whether he would answer questions about what had occurred at the bar without an attorney. Edwards agreed to talk without an attorney and then made incriminating statements about his involvement in the crimes at the bar. Edwards was charged with burglary, robbery, and murder. He moved to suppress his confession on the ground that the detectives obtained it in violation of his Miranda right to counsel. The trial court found that Edwards validly waived that right before he confessed. Edwards was convicted by a jury and sentenced to death. On appeal, the Arizona Supreme Court affirmed his convictions. Edwards successfully petitioned the United States Supreme Court to review his case.